Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Discover It NHL credit card. Now I had to slow down because I did not want to mess that up. When you guys think of like the Discover It cards, especially like a card like this, just think of it as like one of like the Discover It cashback card because they have like similar features like the 0% APR. I like that about this card. And also, just like I said, just think of it like a regular Discover credit card. Don't take it too serious, you guys. But a lot of people are getting approved for the Discover credit card. So I really like this. I love my Discover credit card. I love my cash back. They have the 0% intro APR too. So I definitely love talking about Discover credit cards, and it's like the last one I get to talk about. So I'm kind of sad, but definitely check out my other videos about the Discover credit cards. They got the secure, they got the cash back, they got their student credit cards, two of them, and then two with their student credit cards. They don't even care if you have a credit score or not. So that is really good. So you guys can have no credit and still get approved for their credit card. Just make sure if you looking into it, just use your student email because you guys have a greater chance of actually getting approved for that credit card when you guys use your student email address. But I just love Discover. After your first year to you guys, all the cash back that you have earned with Discover, they're going to actually match it. So if you get $200 in cash back that first year, and just your regular cash back from just spending, using your credit card, they're going to double that. They're going to get, well, they're basically going to match it. So they're going to give you $200. So now you got $400 total in cash back. Like, that is amazing. They're going to add it right to your account, and you can just use it to pay off your bill if you want to, or whatever you want to do with it. But I really like that they do have that. They don't have like an intro thing where they're going to give you a certain amount to sign up, but use that card, you guys, because after you keep using your card, you're going to see that they're going to give you that match, and that match can be amazing if you really use a lot of money on that credit card. Now, if this is your first time watching videos, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and check out my 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Like, if you're trying to get approved for this one, for some reason you can't get approved, definitely check this out. It's free. It's 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. I teach you how to do it. I even give you free dispute letters. Like, when you put your email address in for this, automatically it's coming to your email address. So definitely check that out. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down in comments, and I'll be sure to answer them. But let's go ahead and look at this Discover credit card. So this is the NHL credit card right here. So I love this card because you guys aren't going to have that 0% intro APR for 15 months. And that's going to be for your purchases and balance transfers. Sometimes you guys just see it for purchases and not balance transfers, but for both. So if you guys have a limit on a credit card right now and you need to move that balance over somewhere, this is a good one because you're going to have that 0% intro APR for 15 months. Now, they are going to charge you a 3% intro balance transfer fee, but some of them credit cards, you guys got what, like 20%, if not more, interest. So definitely, it's not going to be bad to pay that 3%. Like, pay the 3% and get this stuff over with. I do suggest, though, you try to pay your bill off. Like, don't go to the 15 months, pay it off in that 13 months. Pay it off early, because if you go after, if you pay it out too late, then they're going to charge you interest as if you never had that 0% intro APR. So definitely pay it off early. Remember I told you guys about that cash back match? Here it is right here. So whatever you get in your first year, they're going to match that basically. And there's no minimum spending or no maximum rewards, just a dollar for dollar match. I really like that about Discover also. And then you guys are going to get 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter. So it's just like that cash back card I told you guys about. So it's different quarters. We'll go over that now since we're in 2023. We'll go over those different quarters now. And then plus you guys are going to earn that 1% unlimited cash back everywhere else. Now, Discover have it where you guys can pre-qualify for their credit cards without a hard inquiry. Definitely pre-qualify for these different credit cards and let them tell you, hey, these are the cards that we can possibly approve you approve you for. And if they can't approve you for anything, then keep it pushing, but don't just go applying for different credit cards. You guys try to see if they can pre-qualify you if they can. Now, they don't have an annual fee for this credit card, which is also amazing. And these are all 32 teams that's in the league. So you can see right here, these are the 32 teams. You can pick which one you want. I like that about Discover too. You can pick your card. I'm going to actually change my card. I haven't changed it yet. I should probably change it very, very soon. But I like that you can change it. Now, we kind of already went over the rewards. Let's go ahead and look at the different quarters. So from January to March, it's going to be grocery stores, drug stores, and select streaming services. And they actually don't have, they're saying that this one is going to be coming soon. They're going to announce it March 1st. Usually they just tell us what it is. Like, what usually are they though, you guys? I know for sure we have like the gas stations. I think that usually be in like the fall. In the winter, we always have like Amazon in our wallet, but I'm disappointed that they just don't have them listed here. But come back, they'll let you know exactly what it is. Maybe they're doing a little switcheroo around, who knows. You guys will have the app, the mobile app, and this is exactly what it looks like to you guys. So definitely check it out. I had a link for a referral where I can refer you guys. You guys can get a $50 credit. Definitely check out my website, Rickita.com. Use that link down in the comments, and you guys can possibly be able to get that credit, that $50 statement credit. I believe it's still available. You guys can get social security number alerts. So if they see your information on the dark web, they'll let you know. Online privacy protection. So that is really good. You can activate that for free with the Discover app. So that is really amazing. You can freeze and unfreeze your credit card right through the app, and zero fraud liability. If you guys ever see fraud on your account, then you can just let them know, hey, I have some fraud, and you won't be liable for it. They can actually fix it. Now, that is really everything for this credit card. So for those people that's a hockey fan and you want to get your favorite team on your card, and you want to get that 5% cash back in those different categories, then definitely get this card here. Try to see if you guys can pre-qualify for it. Like if you see right here, see if you can pre-qualify for a credit card offer. There's no impact to you. Check your credit. So go ahead and click right here and put your name, address, date of birth. Are you a student? Yes or no. Your monthly housing and rent payment, total annual gross income, and then what kind of benefits are you looking for? Cashback, travel rewards, balance transfer, and other. And then go ahead and read all this information. And if you want to, check that box and click check now. And it's going to be no impact to your credit score. So it's not a hard inquiry for them to see if they can pre-qualify you. Hopefully you guys get approved. Like I said too, I had the $50 credit. Check my website, Rickita.com. You can use the link down below. Try to see if I still got that $50 credit, especially if you're going to apply for it anyway. Like right now, why not get it? You get the $50 credit. You just have to use your card within the first 3 months. You have to use your card within the first 3 months of actually getting it. And then also you're going to get that match. So you're getting the $50, and that's more than what other people are getting if they're not using it. Plus you're getting that match. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and don't forget, join my exclusive credit membership. We are doing a meetup in March. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see you guys there. And then also with that free webinar, you got the free dispute letters. If you cannot afford to be like the one-on-one help kind of thing, please just watch this, you guys. Follow the steps and start working to improve your credit. Like improving my credit was one of the best things I ever did. Like seriously, learning about credit in general was one of the best things I ever did. So definitely check that out, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.